Hi, in this video we are going to look at how to turn on and off and auto hide the tool space in Civil 3D. You all know that tool space is this thing and it will have most of the options where we can access within Civil 3D. We have the prospector settings, all that within tool space. Now I am going to show you a way you can turn on and off and also auto hide this tool space, because we have this is our drawing area or the workspace. But if you want to maximize this area, because it is limited by this tool space, if you want to maximize this viewing area or drawing working area, you can sometimes turn off the tool space, otherwise auto hide it. So if you want to turn off the tool space, you can click this icon here, tool space, on home tab. So it will be no longer viewable and your drawing area is now increased. But if you want to get it back again, you have to click tool space here, then it will come back. So it is kind of a kind of a tedious task to on and off it every time. So in that case, what we use is the auto hide option. So to do that, you go here and click this icon. So it will auto hide the tool space onto your left of the screen. So if you put your mouse cursor there, it will expand and you can do anything through the tool space. But at the moment you get your mouse back, it will hide at the left corner. So that is how to auto hide your tool space. So when you're working, you can use either turn on or off your tool space or auto hide your tool space to maximize your working area in the drawing.